Yeah, the low voltage side, nothing. Yeah, something definitely got hit. So obviously nothing here. So if we come over here, we shouldn't have any power either. And all this should be live. So did a pretty good search.
It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
When I was standing outside with the dogs and I heard the biggest pop.
Oh really? I'm gonna pull the board out just to see if anything got fried on the back of it. Yeah, all these should be live.
Yeah.
Yeah, like these are your capacitors. Just something definitely got hit hard.
Downport, I looked outside to see what they were doing, make sure they were safe.
Mm-hmm.
And they were in the shed and literally turned around and everything blew.
Right. Yeah. Your husband excited. No.
What'd you screw up?
They were fixed.
Moving.
Oh yeah.
Nice. What was it?
No, he's not fixing it.
Board is bad. The capacitors are good. You do that on ground, you should have voltage, you know. So, but yeah, board is totally dead. So. All right, it's time to set your personality ID number, and pretty much easy. Just press and release the power button, and pretty soon you will see the display 0, and then you want to choose your number or your personality ID. Make sure you choose accordingly. If you have gas, it will say G. E for electric. And of course, you should have some paperwork along with the board to walk you through this, but just in case. Now, if you messed up, you might have to go back to diagnostic, and you're going to have to basically reprogram it to get it back into service mode. And you can do that. I think you have to rotate the knob, I think 180 degrees, while holding down the start button, and then you can start over again. So I should have some tech sheet or the instruction along in my Patreon account. So if you do need it, you can just jump over to Patreon and you can have it there. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again.
You were saying something about doing the